Let's look at how to fire this puppy up. First of all, we have our battery. You can see the bronze contacts meet up with those bronze contacts. So it slides in there, pops over to the left, and you heard it lock into place. Now that battery's in there. The viewfinder, very much like the 100s, slides out and then you can tilt it up or down. Don't try to tilt it up or down while it's locked in there. You have to slide it out and then tilt it. The LCD viewfinder on these is quite a bit better than the previous models, but still, I think in most cases, we'd want to stick with the iCup. Okay, so the power, this little button on the side here, we push the blue button to allow us to move it, and then we slide it to the left, and that powers it up, and the green light comes on. So the things that we see on the viewfinder, these are pretty typical for all the cameras that we have and all the cameras that we've had in the recent past. We see the battery power, and right now I can see that I'm at 4 bars. I see the capacity for my card A and my card B. They both say that there's no card in there, which there is no card in there, so that makes sense. I want to put my card in. So this is something that's a different thing. There's a little plastic door. I can slide that open. The card goes with the label facing toward the front of the camera, facing toward the lens. So I take the label, turn it that way, and pop the card in. And you can see the red light comes on, say it's trying to read. Now it's green. That means the card's ready to go. And I can see on here then that I've got some capacity on the card. It says I've got 57 minutes on the card. So that's a pretty good record time there. To get the card back out again, I just push it and it pops out, and then I can pull it out. All right? So card's in, card's ready. For the functions of getting into the menu, I'll do this more close up here. The menu button, I can click it and you can see that that goes on, and then I use the little joystick, the little tiny joystick here to go up or down. And remember, system, and never go into the record set and just change your record set. The things that are in here in the record format, if you change that and it's not on QuickTime anymore, if you change it to AVC HD or Exchange, it's going to cause problems and you're not going to be able to find your video. So don't do that. Leave it on QuickTime. And don't change the resolution or that stuff. I'm going to hit cancel so it doesn't change anything. And I'm going to get out of there. So the thing we want to go to, menu, and I can, instead of scrolling down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can scroll up 1 and it takes me down to the bottom to system. So scroll up once or scroll down 5 times, either way. System, scroll down once to media, record format, and format the card that you've recorded on. And I'm going to hit cancel here because I don't want to erase all the stuff that I shot on that card.